Hi, good morning. Acha, I just noticed that on Eid, nobody wears burqa. You understand? Everybody dresses up and goes, all the women. So, maybe they wear burqa just to kind of, you know, save time to get ready. बिकॉज आप नाइटी भी पहन सकते हो नीचे और ऊपर बुरखा पहन सकते हो, किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा बिकॉज इट्स ब्लैक इन कलर. So probably because you want to save your time and run from one place to another, do errands, you wear a burqa on top of whatever clothes you're wearing. But it's hot, so it's their choice if they can handle the heat. Like I can't handle the heat. If I have to cook, I'm in my shorts and sports bra. I can't cook otherwise, it's too hot. कि कल थोड़े आसार लग रहे थे प्री मानसून शावर्स के, बिकॉज अप्रैल से चालू हो जाता है प्री मानसून. बॉम्बे इज़ अ coastal city kind of a place, so you have the pre-monsoon showers and everything gets messy. So I was just trying to make sure that even if it rains unaware, I can take the surprise. But I'm just trying to tell you that a lot of women who wear burqa so that they can save their time from changing from one clothes to another. Because हम घर के कपड़े कुछ और रखते हैं, बाहर के कपड़े कुछ और रखते हैं. जैसे पर्ल हाइट का पानी इतना गंदा है कि मेरे कपड़े जो यहाँ पे मशीन में धुलते हैं ना, उनका रंग ही उड़ जाता है. So I have kept my old set of clothes for whatever clothes I wear in Pearl Heights. Yeah, the same workout clothes, the same yoga clothes. I don't take those clothes with me when I travel outside because वो color का shine चली गई है. You understand? So I throw the clothes after some time. So similarly सबके घर के कपड़े होंगे, बाहर के कपड़े होंगे, एंड घर के कपड़े और बाहर के कपड़े बदलने का जो टाइम है वो टाइम को बचाने के लिए लोग बुरखा पहन लेते होंगे. Do you understand? Because women in other houses, they have to do all works. Yeah, they have to manage the house, they have to go fetch their kids, they have to again do the cooking, they have to again go and fetch their kids if they have lots of kids. So they have to do all the running around. पायल राहत की ने तो 1 साल करके देख लिया, अब इससे ज़्यादा रनिंग अराउंड पायल राहत की नहीं कर सकती. अब अडॉप्शन से जब भी किड आता है तब देखते क्या लाइफ होगी. अभी के लिए तो दिस इज़ द वे इट इज़, बिकॉज आई कैन पुश थिंग्स बियॉन्ड माई कंट्रोल. और ये मनी प्लांट है ना, वहाँ पे एकदम ग्रीन हो गया था उस कॉर्नर में. यहाँ पे थोड़ा येलो हो रहा है, तो आई थिंक इट्स गेटिंग मोर लाइट. आई हैव टू चेक विद द माली. ये नए तो उग रहे हैं, बट यहाँ पे थोड़ा ये सब हो रहा है, डीकलरेशन हो रहा है. इमेजिन लास्ट मॉनसून पे ये लोग ड्रामा कर रहे थे बैम्बू ऊपर लाने से, खड़े हो गए थे बिल्लो की तरह. और अभी मॉनसून आने वाला है एंड बैम्बू इज स्टिल देयर. कैन यू बीट इट ऑन 18th floor? Life is such a teacher. So it looks as if बारिश आने वाली है. मैंने संग्राम का ये टेबल ही कवर कर दिया है क्योंकि ये ताड़पत्री में ये नालायकों ने होल्स तो कर दिए होंगे सो कॉल्ड पैरापेट रिपेयर के नाम पे. तो मुझे पता नहीं ना अगर बारिश आएगी तो कहाँ पानी गिरेगा, तो उसकी बुक्स गीली हो जाएगी. सो आई जस्ट केप्ट दिस लाइक दिस वे. ओह गॉड, इट्स गोइंग टू रेन इन मुंबई. सो लॉट ऑफ टाइम women even wear a burqa because they are not able to afford a lot of clothes. or they don't have time to change from house clothes to outside clothes, और they are not very confident about their bodies because जैसे आपने देखा कि स्वरा को बहुत ट्रोल किया जाता है after she gave birth to a child. So if she was wearing a burqa, then she would not be trolled that much because people would have not been able to figure out her body. Um, so women get trolled also because of their body. They get body shamed, and that is why they prefer sometimes to avoid that mental pain, and for that probably they wear a burqa. I'm okay with the outfit because that's equivalent to a nun's outfit, provided they just reveal their faces so that we know exactly who is wearing a burqa, because a nun also wears a gown. I'm just trying to understand this because I saw yesterday on Eid, lot of women were there, because we stay in a society which is Muslim dominated, and none of them were wearing burqas. They were like dressed up, looking their best. The hair were open, so I was happy to see them like that way. So maybe poverty is a reason, maybe having no time to change is a reason, I don't know. Body shaming is an issue, I have no idea. But women are always subjected to scrutiny, they are always objectified. कोई आदमी के पेट के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, मगर औरत के वेट के बारे में सब बोलेंगे. That's the irony of the society that we live in, even in 2025. And I advocate fitness, whether it be for a woman or for a man. Some people have weight issues due to health reasons. So body shaming needs to be dealt with in India properly. But some people prefer being obese because they want to give in to that comfort food. In America, there are a lot of people who are obese, and there is no concept of fitness in majority, I see, because the food is a fast food, culture of burgers and fries and McDonald's and all that stuff. India, you still have those ingredients, जीरा हींग जो खाना को डाइजेस्ट करता है, आपकी बॉडी मूवमेंट करवाता है. So it's all about the culture also. But I'm just trying to understand a point of view because, women also get body shamed, and to prevent themselves from going through that kind of mental agony, a lot of other criterias, comprise of why they choose to wear a burqa even in 2025. Yeah, but covering the face, not a good idea, because I love covering my face with a mask now. Bye bye.